So today I'm going to show you how to remove the spacer that's stuck between the thinset and won't come off, and even the remaining here, right there. And how do you remove even the remaining down here? And I try to use a razor blade, a cutter. It's very hard to get off. Even this piece here, just got stuck and try to get out here. It's very hard to do it. So how do you remove it? Even though if I can get it off, but part of the leg still stick out. So what's the best way to do it? So I look it up online and find out what's the easiest way to do it. And some people try to use a torch like that and delete. Try like burn it. It's kind of dangerous, too hot. And other people try to use a chisel and try to can't reach it. I better use a blade like this. Yeah, I saw one guy use both the torch and the chisel. Try to heat up the chisel and cut it like this. So it's too dangerous. I'm not gonna do it. And I'm gonna show you a better way to do it. So this is what I found: a soldering iron. I have one laying around. If you don't, $10 on Amazon. And it's not that hot either. Let me show you temperature is around 190. So it's not that hot. So that's the soldering iron. Get the one with a tip, a point tip like this. This is what I would do. See, so easy. Out. Here. Go down and see that? Okay, and this one, look. See, all fixed. Easy. No damage to the tile at all. Good. And then you have a look. So here is another example. All right. Let's take a look. See that? Oh, it went down. No more coming up. So that's how it looks like. Fast and easy way without cutting it. Thanks for watching.